Oh,
what color is that?
Orange.
A what?
Orange.
A pink?
Orange.
A pink? Let's see if it works. I don't think that one's going to work. You can try, though. Can you get it on there? Oh, good job. Push. Let me help you. Here you go. All right, there you go, baby. Bye.
Just ask you. You made a mistake choosing Thomas. We'll find out about you here. Who? Who will? The people you're a threat to. The people who don't listen to society. You don't fit into a category. They can't control you. I don't get it. I'm Thomas. I'm going to be Thomas. I chose Thomas. For your sake. I hope so.
What color is that?
Orange.
A green?
Orange.
That's a green girl.
Orange.
Okay, it's going to work. There you go.
I don't.
You put the bottom on. Hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Let me try to do it with one hand. It broke. There you go. All right. You hopping?